We got Johnny here. He is going to be the creative director and the co-writer of this project. Alright. We have got Rajiv, who's our principal actor, number 1. Alright. Happy is going to be principal actor number 2. We got Abdul Halim. He's going to help us with assisting in direction. He's going to take down all the important notes. That's going to help us in editing later on. Alright. Kerwin is going to be our principal cinematographer, Cam A. James, Cam B. We have got our audio engineer over there. His name is Jason. Alright. And Juvi here is going to record all of this. Juvi, show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. Alright. Alright. So, what we have got so far, right? We pulled out musical western, which is the one thing that we didn't want to do. So, we had to go for wildcard. We pulled out family film, which all things considered is pretty alright because right now between myself and Johnny we got like 2-3 solid ideas. Alright. Now what we need from everyone here right now, let's put it at 9:30 because we are already crossed our schedule for brainstorming, right? Till 9:30 let's get down and bring out all the ideas that we have. Alright. The talent needs to get to sleep as soon as possible. So 9:30 you guys are out of here. Alright. Everyone else, Abhishek, you guys are staying here anyways, so get comfortable. Me and Johnny will get down after that and finish up a script. Get all of your email IDs to Arjun so that we will be emailing you scripts, screenplays, whatever necessary by the end of, let's hope, 12.
No.
Let's hope 1.
Before morning.
Before morning, yeah? Alright. Extremely important. Tomorrow 5:30 a.m. You guys need to be here. Alright? All of you all. You guys, I'll be waking you up personally. Alright? The rest of you all, right, 5:30 a.m. We need 1 hour of solid pre-production time. Alright? All of you all need to know exactly what you're doing in the 12 hours that we'll be shooting. Alright? Possibly 12 hours we'll be shooting. I want every one of you crystal clear on what you're doing. Clear?
So like I said, just throw out every single idea for a family film. It doesn't need to be generally restricted to any particular genre because I'll just give you a brief idea as to what a family film is. A family film is anything you can sit down with your family and watch.
Me, Rajiv and Butul are roommates. 3 of us land in the city, 3 different companies. We need a place to stay, come together, like meet online basically, need a sharing partner, land up in the same place.
Here, I'm just going to put this idea out.
Yeah.
I don't know how much it would qualify as a family film. Yeah. It's not something that he can control or limit at this point.
Correct.
So he's got to pull the plug, let's say in the terms of human life. He's got to pull the plug or whatever.
Okay.
I'm saying just think of that twist. I'm just putting it out.
Alright.
I have an idea, but
when one brother was they've been separated, so the one brother he gave his watch.
Okay. So I think like what I suggested, my idea was in the car, like I said, was the death of a family member, preferably the father, brings the 2 sons close. So in his last will and testament, he writes that, this is my watch and this is I bequeathed to my son. Alright. So that brings the 2 sons together and they get into a dialogue, which from that we can get it into a more of a reconciliation. Alright. That was initially what I thought. Like we have 2 actors, we have 2 really good actors. Let's make them brothers. Alright.
Whoa, what you gonna do? Make a film! Make a film! What you gonna do? Make a film! Make a film! Make a film! Oh, what? Let's do this!
Take your ship, you only ship your ship that's coming in. Do what you can't, you can't, you can't, you can't, you get it in. Do what you can't, you can't, you can't, you can't, you take it in. Do what you know you've never been, it's really just a shame. What you can't know what everyone's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juvi. Happy birthday to
Children, I'm worried about the nation. Wonder can I take it? Wonder can I take it? Rise up and close the blinds. I wonder what you take it. Wonder can I take it? Wonder can I take it? Do what you can. It's just the world you've never seen. Take your shit, just drink it. Your shit that's coming in. Do what you can't, you can't, you can't, you can't, you get it in. Do what you can't, you can't, you can't, you can't, you take it in. Do what you know you've never been, it's really just a shame. Do what you know it's everyone is all the same. If you can't get back again, you can change the way it in. What you can't wear and if you know it's all again.
the backbone of this entire
swear,
project.
I think that's
Yeah.
very.
The most silent guy, but without him, nothing would have happened. Nothing, not a single thing would have happened. Thanks a lot, Arjun.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek, for spending your time with us. Now that this is done, hopefully by tomorrow we should be coming out with the first cut. Hopefully by around 12. I would like to say 12 p.m. If you guys wanna come down and see it, please do give us a comment so that we have some time to change things. Yeah, polish it up a bit, basically. Right? Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Thank you, Sahil.
Thank you.
Alright, let's have a group photo now.